Hello friends, now this is the video for logical equivalence. I am explaining all the examples in a very simple language and all the questions asked in the previous board examination, and I hope that will help to increase the marks in board examination in mathematics for yourself. Okay, simultaneously I am teaching on Unacademy platform for Mathematics 1 and Mathematics 2. Live lectures are there, special and the plus lectures are there. After this my video, there are some PowerPoint slides of Unacademy, and if you like it, you can take it as a subscription, and if you apply my promo code Vasant sir, then you will get 10% off. Thank you. Unacademy. Let's crack MSTCT with Unacademy. Get your subscription today. Use code Vasant sir for 10% ऑफ. जर तुम्ही माझा हा प्रोमो कोड वापरला तर त्यामध्ये तुम्हाला 10% डिस्काउंट मिळेल आणि निश्चितच यामध्ये ही सर्व फी देखील कमी आहे. मी सर्व लाईव्ह लेक्चर्स यावर शिकवत असतो अनअकॅडमीच्या प्लॅटफॉर्मवरती M1 आणि M2 साठी, आणि सीईटीच्या प्रिपरेशनसाठी सर्व चॅप्टर्सची रिव्हिजन त्यामध्ये होत असते. 11 स्टँडर्डचा 20% पण अभ्यासक्रम यामध्ये कव्हर झालेला असतो. नेक्स्ट, Unacademy features: learn live from the comfort of your home, unlimited access to all courses, top educators of India on one platform, exhaustive coverage of syllabus, regular doubt clearing session, live test series, study material in PDF form, answer writing session पण त्यामध्ये असते. Benefit of the MSTCT subscription: mentorship and the guidance, 30 plus top educators, 20 plus batches, test series, daily practice problems, full length mock test with the analysis, 2000 plus lesson, quizzes at regular intervals for the self analysis. These are the featured educators. Okay, now the next is a batch courses on March 1st. Okay, these are the batches and the ongoing batch courses. Okay, मॅरेथॉन स्पेशल क्लास सिरीज पण इथे दाखवलेली आहे, यामध्ये तुम्ही जॉईन होऊ शकताय. टेस्ट सिरीज डेली T20, प्रत्येक सब्जेक्ट आणि डेज तिथे दिलेला आहे. सीईटी साठीचा पोर्शन इथे दिलेला आहे. फिजिक्स तुम्ही स्क्रीनशॉट काढून बघू शकताय. नेक्स्ट इज अ biology and the chemistry. Last is mathematics. Okay, plan for 1 month 1500, and if you apply the code that is Vasant sir, you will get the 10% off. Okay, this is the code you can apply. Okay. निश्चितच तुम्हाला ते आवडलेलं असेल तर तुम्ही निश्चितच याचं सबस्क्रिप्शन घ्या आणि बोर्डाच्या परीक्षेमध्ये ॲज वेल ॲज सीईटी मध्ये देखील तुम्हाला चांगले मार्क्स मिळू शकतील. थँक्यू. Hello friends, now this is the topics for logical equivalence. Two statements S1 and S2 are said to be logically equivalent or the equivalent or equal if they have identical truth values in their truth tables for each combination of the truth values of their components. In this case, we write S1 is equivalent to S2. Examples for the 3 marks. Okay. Using the truth table, prove the following equivalences. Negation of P or Q is equivalent to negation of P in bracket negation of P and Q implies in square bracket negation of P or in bracket negation of P or Q bracket complete and square bracket is completed. Now we'll prove this here. The first is we find out the negation of P or Q here. Okay. Then find out the P and Q, and then find out the negation of P and Q. And next negation of P or negation of P or Q, and the last is the final statement of the right hand side, which is negation of P and Q implies in square bracket negation of P or in bracket negation of P or Q. Now first of all P, that is a double T double F, Q is a TF TF. Negation of P is a FFTT. Now here negation of P or Q, that is or between these two, that is a TF is T, FF is F, TT is T, FT is T. Next is P and Q. Now TT is T, TF is F, FT is F, FF is F. And that is a negation of P and Q. That is a negation of this T, F, F, T, F, T, F, T. Okay. Now the OR between these two. That is the OR between the column number 3 and the column number 4. Okay. OR between these two. T, F, T is T, F, F, F is F, T, T is T, T, T is again T. And now their implication. That is the column number 6 implies the column number 7. F implies T, it is T. T implies F, it is F. T implies T, it is T. T implies T, it is T. And hence the column 4 and 8 are identical and hence it is a logically equivalent. Now the next is P double implication Q is equivalence to P and Q or in bracket negation of P and negation Q. Okay. Now again in this case we will find out the first of all P double implication Q. Then find out negation of Q, negation of P, then P and Q. Then the negation, then we find out the negation of P and negation Q and the OR between these two. Column number 6 and column number 7. Now one by one. First of all P and Q here, they are double implication. That is the T implies T. Both are same, then it is true. Both are different, then it is F. Both are different, it is F. Both are same, FF is T. Next is the negation of P. That is the FFTT. Negation of Q. FTFT. Then find out P and Q. T and T is T. T and F is F. F and T is F. F and F is F. Then find out the AND between the 4th and 5th. That is F and F is F. F and T is F. T and F is F. T and T is T. And then find out the OR between the column number the 6 and the column number 7. OR between T, F is T, F, F is F, F, F is F, F, T is a T. And in this way, the column number 3 and the column number 8. These are the identical and hence it is a logically equivalent. Okay. Now without using the truth table, show that P double implication Q is equivalent to P and Q or negation of P and negation Q. Now first of all, now see this here, LHS, P double implication Q means what? P implies Q and Q implies P. Okay. Next is a P implied Q is a negation of P or Q and Q implies P means what? Again negation of P or Q. This is the conditional law. Again by using the distributive law. That is here negation of P operates on this bracket. That is the negation of P and negation of Q or P. Next is there is sign between these two is OR. Q and in bracket negation of Q or P. This is the distributive law. And the next is again the distributive law. This negation of P will be operate on this bracket. That is the negation of P and negation Q or negation of P and P. And the last is OR in bracket Q and negation Q or Q and P. Again this is the distributive law. Next is negation of P and negation Q. See this here, negation of P and P is F. Okay, this is the F and or P, Q and negation Q. Again it is F or P and Q and P. It is keep it as it is by using the complement law. Now see this here. That is the negation of P and negation Q or F. You will get negation of P and negation Q. Next is here is OR. F or Q and P. Okay. Then you will get again Q and P. This is again by using the identity law. Now this depends on this. Again, this bracket is depends on Q and P. Now next is again by using the commutative law. This can be written as negation of P and negation Q by using the commutative law P and Q. Okay. And here again by using the commutative law, that is a P and Q or negation of P and negation of Q. And this is nothing but our RHS. See this here. This is nothing but our RHS. And therefore, without using the truth table, by using the laws, we can prove this. Okay. Next is P or Q or negation of P and Q is equivalent to negation of P. Now see this LHS. Now the next is negation of, here is a negation of P or Q or negation of P and Q is equivalent to negation of P. Now see this one by one. Now here we consider the LHS. Negation in bracket P or Q or in bracket negation of P and Q. Okay. Therefore, we have here negation for the disjunction, negation of P and negation of Q or negation of P and Q. Then by using the distributive law, that is the negation of P is distributed over this or, okay, over this and, therefore negation of P and in bracket negation of Q or Q. But what is the negation of Q or Q? It is a T, and then by using the complement law. Now here it is a negation of P and T. Okay. And by that is the negation of P and T, that is the negation of P by using the identity law. And hence P or Q or negation of P and Q is equivalent to negation of P. Now the next question. Negation of P and Q is equivalent to P or Q and negation of P. This question asked in October 13 and March 14. Now see this here. First of all P and Q, then the negation of P, and then negation of P and Q, then P or Q, then final, that is a P or Q and negation of P. It's very simple. Write down first of all P, double T, double F, Q is a TF, TF, then negation of P, that is FF, TT, then find out the and between column number 2 and 3, that is a TF is F, FF is F, TT is T, FT is F again F. Then find out the or between first and second, TT is T, TF is T, and FT is again TF, FF is F here. Okay. Then find out the and between the column number 5 and the column number 3. Okay. And between these two, that is the FT is F, FF, FT is again F. Okay. Then T is T, and TF is again F. And in this way, the column number 4 and column number 6, these are the identical, and hence it is logically equivalent. And in this way, I had completed here the equivalence questions, some questions that asked in the board examination. Okay, logical equivalence, these topics I have completed. I will see in the next video. Till then, goodbye.